Brylan? You gonna get out? Come on out.
Come on. Come see me. Come see me, Ronnie. Come see me, buddy. Bye.
Well, let's see. He's got his leg on the tray now. You gonna help him? You gonna help him, sweetie?
Now he's gonna go help him.
Okay, he doesn't want help.
He wants to get out by himself. Like
Oh, don't pinch, Brylan. He doesn't mean to, honey. Doesn't mean to. Just move away. Move away.
Move away. Come sit down. Sit down on the couch.
What's he doing, Juju?
He's trying to get out.
Is he?
But he's not wanting to do it anymore. He was, but now he doesn't. So, let's see if
La la la. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! ABC song.
Come here, come see
Ready?
me.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Yay!
Go, Ronnie. Go, Ronnie. Go,
You gonna
Ronnie.
get out?
You gonna get out, Ronnie?
Out. Let's get out. Come on, Brylan. Oh, let's get out.
Like, I've been in here too long. I want to get out.
You're gonna help him, Journey.
I'm here.
Sweet girl. Okay.
There you go.
Thank you, baby. Ha ha ha.